Hi.
Are you coming for day use or for camping?
For camping.
So you need to check in at that building.
Oh. Okay. He already booked us, so.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just make sure you get the
Just calling me.
Okay. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Lucian in the kitchen. We have arrived at the campsite. We
Just
have
calling me.
arrived at the campsite. Lucian in the kitchen, yeah? We have arrived at the campsite. We are checking in and we're gonna offload. Stay tuned. We are here. Yes, guys, you know, while we are waiting,
Hello.
I'm gonna show you guys, yeah? Lucian in the kitchen. We are packed and stacked. You know, we have grill, we have coconuts, you know, coconut shell too, you know, for some smoky coconut. We have our stick, we have our cooler, look. We have our meat, look, meat. Look at that, meat. Lucian in the kitchen, we have meat, yeah? Stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Camping. 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 We are here. We are at the campsite. Look at the campsite. You want a Pepsi? Hey Pepsi, can you sponsor me? Hey Pepsi, can you sponsor me? Campsite. Yeah? Lucian in the kitchen. Stay tuned. Episode 1. We have arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the man who, you know, who challenged me. This is the competitor. We're gonna have a little cook off. Yes, this is the platinum guy. You see, he's repping his platinum in the cuisine. That guy there, I'm gonna annihilate. We're gonna follow him. Somebody wanna give a little recording? This is our packing. We have our packing. Yes, foot on dash. Ready to put foot on gas. We are ready.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. Drive, boy.
Yes, guys.
Yes, guys.
We're driving in.
We are driving into the
The
camp.
weekend's about to be lit. Late. Turn up. Tyra, are you excited?
Don't take the place. Don't take the place. Lucian in cuisine. Camping.
Our house for the next 2 days.
Yes. Show me what
Bush
about-
time. Bush time.
Bush life, yeah? You wanna see bush cooking? I give you bush cooking. I even forgot some ingredients. I'm so upset. Remember the little bananas I told you guys? I forgot the little banana thingies. So I'm a little bit upset, but I got other stuff. But I have stuff. We have stuff. We are hungry too. We're rushing to go light a fire. Yeah? Oh, no seatbelt. You have to drive safe. Even if we are on a campsite, guys, drive safe. If you're on campsite, don't litter. Okay?
Bicycle.
Bicycle, yes. Next time we come with bicycle, we ride. But no, we're gonna run around the place.
Yeah.
Okay? We are driving. I don't know what number we are, so we have to follow this guy. What does he say? I don't know. This doesn't say. This guy have all this phone.
You're a little too excited. That's
Okay
what
guys,
you
so
are.
we're gonna see you at the campsite when we get there, okay? And cut it, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our vlogging house. This is our house. You see? 1 tent, 2 tent. Okay? This is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. And boom, look. I just came to light the fire. I lit in the fire. Look, you see that dry coconut shell? If you want to light a fire, man, dry coconut shell. I only put 1 piece of coal. Look, there's the fire here. I took 1 piece of coal from here. Fire. All right, I'm gonna let this fire build. It's our kitchen, yeah. This is the kitchen where all the magic's gonna be happening. Okay. Okay, guys. Lucian in the kitchen.
Stay one place.
Hang on. My camera woman.
God.
Am I up? Don't put it upside down. Don't upside down me. Am I upside down? No.
In your house?
No. Yes, folks. Look, Lucian in the kitchen, yeah? Remember those kidneys you saw me seasoning? I put them on a skewer and they're on the fire. And we have our guest chef today.
Hello.
Our guest chef slash cameraman. But she's the chef. Yeah, camera woman, sorry. Camera little lady. Mangaroo Productions. Yep, she's on the grill. So as you can see, folks, oopsie, I bumped into the light. I need the light closer. There you go. As you guys can see, we are on the grill with the kidney. Chef, you gotta flip it over, chef. Boom, yeah. You gotta keep flipping it, you know.
Every side counts.
Every side counts, yeah. Even we want it evenly cooked on each side, you know, so it doesn't burn. Yes, folks. Kidney on a skewer. Lucian in the kitchen, yeah? We hope you learned something today. We hope you learned something today. We are in the Twizin, we are camping. We have big fire over there for other stuff. Small fire here. We just hungry, trying to make a quick meal, yeah? Kidney, we're gonna give you some kidney. Yeah? And some corn. Plain and simple. We might do some lamb. We got some squash. We got coconut, you know. We got lots of stuff. Lucian in the kitchen. Look, we're camping. Look at it. Can I get some light over here, ma'am? Look. Mangoes. Cucumber. You know, we got stuff. We got stuff. What's in here? Charcoal, pots and pans, yeah? Lucian in the kitchen. Camping edition. We're gonna eat and we're gonna go sleep right over there. Stay tuned, yeah? I hope you learned something today. If you saw my previous video, you know how I seasoned this. So we just put it on a skewer and grill time. Stay tuned.